Y'all, but at this point, we've all heard the rumors. I saw the forums. I saw the confirmations from AMD about the refresh of the X3D chips for the 8-core and the 16-core, dubbed 9850X3D and 9850X3D2. Now we got some more information regarding that. Let's get into this. Hey everyone, it's about Lot Tech bagging some more tech news for an awesome week so far. Now, came across yet another interesting article on Tom's Hardware, and it's more information about the refresh for the X3D chips. 8-core and 16-core AMD already confirmed they're going to release ahead of Zen 6. Now, this one in particular is about the 9850X3D, which is a successor to the 9800X3D, but slightly lower clock, but it's going to be double the cache size, 3D V cache on it, and AMD promises with 25 performance gains over 25% over the 9800X3D, the OG one. Now, some person just doing their research and going shopping according to the article, found this listing at a Swiss online retailer going for roughly 500 or something euros or Switzerland money, whatever they use, and that translates to $560 to $600 USD. So as we Muslims probably predicted, and I think I briefly mentioned it when I first talked about the 9850X3D, that I believe is going to be at least $100 more on the top end, and it looks like my prediction could maybe coming true. Again, they have since taken it down from the retailer that was on the Swiss online retailer so far, so I don't think you could go back and check now according to the article, because I guess the store caught themselves. So I guess AMD came knocking. I said, hey, NDA is up yet. You can't do that. Remove that, please. Or someone online. Someone called them to remove it because it's no longer there according to the article. At least that's what the article is hinting at. So as I expected, we'll see if it pans out. It's going for $550 to $600 US. Yes, you heard me right. The existing 9800 X3D, folks, is $450. When it's on sale, if you're lucky, or lucky that you're near a micro center, I've seen it as low as $399 before, which is really good. But $450 has been a constant price for the 9800 X3D. And now, for it to be $100 more converted on this manufacturer's website, this online store retailer, for $550 to $600 plus, leads me to believe that along with all the RAM stuff going on, that's craziness, and the AI data center crap that's affecting everyone, as AMD predicted, because AMD did come out and say, I think a couple of months ago, that they expect the prices to go up for all their products, especially the stress on the GPUs more going to get hit harder than the CPUs, but they say as of right now, the CPUs might also, they hinted at the next gen CPUs might get hit by the price hikes as well, which I'm sure all of us expected that anyway. That's the times we're living in right now. So that's crazy, y'all. Why are we paying $100 or potentially paying $100 more plus for just a refresh of an existing chip just because it has more Vcache, not triple Vcache, just a double or something, and we lose some of the frequency of the existing one, and they want us to pay, at least if this pans out to be true, they expect us to pay $100 plus over MSRP of the existing 9800 X3D. So this just makes me more and more concerned, y'all. So if y'all, I know December is almost over or halfway over, but it looks like people that really want to get their upgrade done this year, you have to suck it up and eat the RAM cost, because from what all the sources I've been seeing the last couple of months, the RAM is going to get worse. I don't even want to start to see how much DDR6 is going to come out or start out at when it gets released sometime in the near future. If DDR5 is already getting this truck hit price-wise, then I can only think everyone's saying that things are going to get more expensive. So I can only predict or assume that the DDR6 when it comes out is going to be crazier than when DDR5 came out, because we all know DDR5 was really expensive when it first came out. So I think the DDR6 is going to follow that trend, and even probably even more money than when DDR5 hit the market. So it looks like we're in for a rough ride next year, folks, as far as primary PC hardware for builds. So get your upgrade done this year, because it's not going to get any better, y'all. Y'all let me know in the comments below if you think this is as crazy as I believe it is, as far as this craziness with pricing and the price that this chip is potentially going to be at. Let me know in the comments below. Until then, this is by Lock Tech signing out.